Assalamu alaikum viewers, welcome to Study VK. In this video lecture, I am going to discuss about the lecturer political science paper. So without wasting any time, शुरू करते हैं आज का lecture. My name is Muhammad Azam. So first question is, the term polity is generally applied to the which city-states, Roman, Greek, feudal or Oriental empires. तो इसका जो right answer है वो Greek city-states है. Greek city-states is the right answer. So next question is, the political science begins and ends with state is said by Garner. Garner is the right answer. Next one is the Plato believed that an ideal state should have a population of around 5040 people. So इसका जो right answer है वो है 5040. Next question is, a doctrine under which legislative, statute or executive actions are subject to possible invalidation by the judiciary is called the judicial review. Judicial review is the right answer. Next is the consensus among scholars on points of Islamic law are called ijma. ijma कहते हैं. Ijma is the right answer. Next one is the who said law is the command of sovereign. So John Astor ने कहा है. इसकी complete definition है law is the command of sovereign backed by sections. So this is the definition of law. John Astor ने ये definition दी है. John Astor इसका right answer है. Next is the Leviathan is a book written by Locke, Russell और John Astor. तो इसका जो option है वो none of these है. Originally it's written by Thomas Hobbes. Thomas Hobbes इसका right answer होगा. So next is the what refers to the flow of information through the society and through various structures that make up the political system. तो इसका जो right answer है वो है communication box. Communication box इसका right answer होगा. Communication box. Next is the principles of collective responsibility is a feature of the parliamentary system. Principles of collective responsibility is the feature of the parliamentary system. Next is the concept of popular sovereignty was expounded by the Thomas Hobbes. Thomas Hobbes इसका right answer है. The concept of popular sovereignty was expounded by the Thomas Hobbes. Next is the beside England, United Kingdom consists of Scotland, Wales and Northern Ireland. ये इसका right option है. Scotland, Wales and Northern Ireland. जो यूके है उसमें स्कॉटलैंड भी आता है, इंग्लैंड भी आता है एंड वेल्स भी आता है और नॉर्दर्न आइलैंड आएगा. सो यूके होगा. अगर जो ग्रेट ब्रिटेन में 3 कंट्रीज शामिल होंगे, स्कॉटलैंड, इंग्लैंड एंड वेल्स. सो राइट ऑप्शन इज स्कॉटलैंड, वेल्स एंड नॉर्दर्न आइलैंड. सो नेक्स्ट इज दी हु इज नाउन एज सोशल कॉन्ट्रैक्चुअलिस्ट. तो इसका जो राइट आंसर है वो होब्स है. होब्स इज नाउन एज सोशल कॉन्ट्रैक्चुअलिस्ट. Next question is, to give the political party in power an advantage in electing its representative is known as gerrymandering. Gerrymandering is the right option. Next question is, American political scientist of 20th century who adopted the method of system analysis in comparative politics is Talcott Parsons. Yes, the right answer है Talcott Parsons. Next question is, who formulated the theory of separation of powers? तो इसका जो right answer है वो है Montesquieu. Montesquieu इसका right answer है. Formulated the theory of separation of powers. Next one is the, according to Locke, the natural rights of man are right to a life, liberty and property. Yes, the right option, life, liberty and property. Next one is the, a voluntary union of sovereign and independent states is called confederation. Confederation is the right answer. A voluntary union of sovereign and independent states is called confederation. Next one is the single transferable vote system was suggested for proportional representation by the Thomas Hare. Thomas Hare is the right answer. Next one is the who ensures party members do as per party lines in assembly. इसका जो right answer है वो है whip. Whip इसका right answer है. Next question is man when separated from law and justice is the worst of all animals is the saying of the Aristotle. Aristotle इसका right answer है. Man when separated from law and justice is the worst of all animals. तो इसका जो right answer है वो है Aristotle is a saying of the Aristotle. Next is the who was the author of Communist Manifesto. इसका जो right answer है वो है Karl Marx. Karl Marx is the right answer. So next question is which doctrine held that the function of government should be to secure the greatest happiness for the greatest number of people. So इसका जो right answer है वो है utilitarian. Utilitarian इसका right answer है. Next question is an authoritarian and nationalist political ideology that embraces strong leadership, singular collective identity, and the will to commit violence or wage war to further the interest of the state. So is called fascism. Fascism is the right answer है. Next question is an appeal to the prejudice of the masses, usually by means of lies and half-truth, is termed as demagogy. Demagogy is the right answer है. Next is the according to Aristotle, tyranny is the perverted form of the monarchy. Monarchy is the right answer है. So next one is the a legal action or writ by means of which prisoners can seek relief from illegal imprisonment is called the habeas corpus. Habeas corpus इसका right answer होगा. Next one is the which king of France said liated estimol I am the state means. So किस किंग ने कहा था फ्रांस के? लुइस 14. ये इसका right answer है. Next is the in Britain, the office of the Prime Minister came into existence in the time of Hanoverians. Hanoverians इसका right answer होगा Hanoverians. So next is the quorum of British House of Lords is 3. 3 इसका right answer है. Quorum of British House of Lords is 3. Next question is when was the Magna Carta signed by the King John of England? So इसका जो right answer है वो 1215 में साइन किया था King John of England. Next is the in which century theory of divine right of king was presented by the King James of England. Theory of divine right of king was presented by King James of England in 16th century. ये इसका right answer है. Next one is the in UK right honorable is the title of the members of the Privy Council. Yes, the right answer है. Next question is the smallest administrative unit in the British self-local government is the parish. Yes, the right answer है. Next question is the number of amendments made in the American Constitution is total 27 amendments हुई हैं. 4000 अमेंडमेंट्स प्रपोज की गई हैं अमेरिकन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में, लेकिन जो अप्रूव हुई हैं वो सिर्फ 27 है. सो इट्स मीन अमेरिकन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन इज द रिजिड कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज द ऑथर ऑफ द अमेरिकन डिक्लेरेशन इंडिपेंडेंस वाज द थॉमस जेफरसन. थॉमस जेफरसन इसका राइट आंसर है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज विच अमेरिकन स्टेट इज कॉल्ड द मदर ऑफ द प्रेसिडेंट्स. सो वर्जीनिया स्टेट ये अमेरिका की स्टेट है, इज कॉल्ड द मदर ऑफ द प्रेसिडेंट्स. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज मिनिमम एज ऑफ कैंडिडेट टू कंटेस्ट इलेक्शंस ऑफ अमेरिकन सेनेट इज द 30 years. 30 years ये इसका राइट आंसर है. नेक्स्ट वन इज द मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट अचीवमेंट ऑफ अब्राहम लिंकन वाज द एबॉलिशन ऑफ स्लेवरी. ये इसका राइट आंसर है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज the electoral college in USA comprises of the 538 electors, ये इसका राइट आंसर है। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज system of administrative law is provided in the constitution of the France, जो system of administrative law is provided in the constitution of the France। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन is the state of the France is unitary, ये इसका राइट आंसर है, यूनिटरी। नेक्स्ट वन इज the constitutional history of France begins with French Revolution of 1789, जो फ्रेंच रेवोल्यूशन हुआ था 1789 में, 1789, ये इसको याद करने का भी आसान तरीका है, 789। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज द लेंथिएस्ट रिटन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ऑफ द वर्ल्ड इज ऑफ इंडिया, इंडिया का लेंथिएस्ट कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन है। जो शॉर्टेस्ट है वो यूएसए का है, जो अनरिटन है या पार्शियली अनरिटन है वो यूके का है। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज द In Pakistan, Islam was declared as the state religion under the Constitution of 1973. Yes, the right answer है। Next one is the Constitution of Pakistan 1962 had how many articles? So total 250 articles हैं। Next question is Pakistan joined United Nations UN on 30th September 1947. Yes, the right answer है। Next question is total members of the Senate of Pakistan is 104. Next question is who wrote the book Myth of Independence? जुल्फ़िकार अली भुट्टो ने लिखी थी। The Myth of Independence ये लिखी है जुल्फ़िकार अली भुट्टो ने। Next question is Kaiserism joined All India Muslim League in the year 1913. ये इसका राइट आंसर है। So next question is the first movement launched against British in India was the Swadeshi movement, जो फर्स्ट मूवमेंट लॉन्च हुई थी अगेंस्ट ब्रिटिश इंडिया वाज दी स्वदेशी मूवमेंट, ये इसका राइट आंसर है, स्वदेशी मूवमेंट। सो नेक्स्ट ये 51 क्वेश्चन से लेके जो आगे 100 तक हैं वो नेक्स्ट वीडियो में अपलोड करूँगा। सो नेक्स्ट वीडियो देखने के लिए यहाँ पर क्लिक करें, यहाँ पर मैं जो एंड स्क्रीन पे डाल दूँगा। So that's all from today's lecture. Thank you so much for watching.